everybody. Ooh, didn't powder today and it's showing. But hello. So it is a new week, a new vlog. Today's Tuesday. I did vlog a little bit yesterday, but mostly just like time lapses. So, oh, right outside. Everything's still a mess, still a work in progress. But yesterday you saw me water all of the plants, in which I am going to now put them all back in the other room where they're living for now. But I did pot up some new plants and I thought I'd show you. So if you watched my bathroom organization video, you saw this. I also hauled this in my home haul. Bradley wanted a little plant in his corner of the bathroom, so we got him a little snake plant. So we potted that up. I need to water it. This was a mini monstera, which like, I love monsteras, so that name got me. I feel like it'll just grow bigger, but for now I thought it was cute and tiny, and I'd put it in my very favorite Alice pot. If the house was on fire, I'd grab this pot. I've always wanted a string of pearls, and the nursery we went to had like little starter strings of pearls for like $3. So I was like, you know what, let's do it. And I want to put it in the taller window in the bathroom by my bathtub, because I want my bathtub to be like a jungle and just have plants everywhere and plants like hanging down. So yeah, I've never had one of these and I'm excited. And this is one of the little blush pots I got off of Crate and Barrel for like $2. It was a sale. Yesterday you saw me paint this, which I meant to bring a picture. I'll insert, this is Bradley's meat hammer, don't mind, just seriously don't mind my whole life. I'll put in a picture, but every time I look at like house stuff on Urban Outfitters, I come across this picture, which it's for a wall planter, but the pot in it looks like this and it's so cute, but they were sold out of it. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try to recreate that myself. So I got this really cute kind of like dome-shaped terracotta, and then I just painted the white and black circles. To me, it kind of looks like really big eyeballs, or it just looks like a fun design, but I'm obsessed with the way it turned out. And then I planted up, this looks like a watermelon peperomia, but it doesn't have the red, so I'm assuming it's some sort of peperomia. I'm not sure. This was just an unlabeled, like it said house plant, in my little Target pot. I can link probably just this pot down below. Maybe that one and that one. I'll link what I can. Obviously anything in this vlog, whatever I can link, I will link down below. But I just loved the different colors of the leaves and I'm excited about that. I put my favorite plant of the day in my favorite pot of the moment, which is this really cute little three-legged pot from Hobby Lobby. This is a polka dot begonia and it is so cute. Its underside is like red. Their leaves are so weird and I just like, I've never seen this before and I thought it was so cute. So I potted that up. And then they had this zebra plant for pretty cheap, and I had a rubber tree in this and it died in the move. The one plant we lost in the move, so that's okay, I'll take it. So I planted that up and I think it looks really nice. I love just the solid pink with the green. So yeah, I need to move all of these plants and then water those. We also potted up, repotted, which I talked about in my bathroom video as well. This plant was under stress. It's a snake plant and it started blooming flowers, which I was really excited about because it's super rare, but then I looked it up and it means that it's like stressed, so it needed a bigger pot. So I put it in this little pot we got from Home Goods, and yeah, I need to water that and dust that as well. See what Ludi's doing. You have a leaf? It's a really nice day. Bradley is off for the next 2 whole days, so we're excited. It's gonna be a really nice day today too. It's gonna be like 80 degrees. So we have some errands we need to run, just some like boring stuff, but then also I wanna go to Lowe's because there's a patio table that I want for like the side yard. It's cute, it has great reviews, and it's a pretty good deal for a table and chairs. So we're gonna go pick up that today. I'm also craving Baja Fresh. And you guys, I just like was upstairs like staring at my stomach for a while. Like this is my last week of 4 months. I'm almost 5 months, and it's just like there's a baby in there, and it blew my mind. I was like crying looking in the mirror. I'm also like feeling better, which also helps like be more excited about, you know, what's actually happening to me instead of just like dying. But yeah, okay. Bradley is here, around here somewhere. He's up on, I think he's paying some bills up on the computer. And yeah, we're just patrolling the yard. We'll see you in a bit. Oh my God. Just tripped over a rock. Okay, so as you guys just saw, we cleaned this whole patio area. We gutted some plants over here and it was a mess. So we cleaned it all and then we assembled our new little patio set. We got this at Lowe's. I can link it down below, I think. But I am just obsessed with it. Look how cute this is. And all three of these came together, the table and the two chairs. We bought the pillows separately and I'm obsessed, so I need to get another one. We weren't sure if we were going to use this for over here or the other. We ordered like a bigger dining set for around the corner. But this is just so cute. I eventually want to have pots of every single herb I can possibly grow on both sides. I want this to be my little herb garden. And I just want cute pots like jam-packed together. I am choosing to still grow herbs in pots just because they can get a little bit bushy and out of control, and I think the pots help control them a little bit. It's also just cute. So far I have rosemary, thyme, lavender, basil, and parsley. I'm trying to grow dill from seed, but it hasn't bloomed at all yet. But I am just absolutely obsessed. We have the lime and lemon tree over here as well. It's just amazing. How you doing, babe?
Right?
Bradley's been working his ass off. Here, I'll show you. I laid out in the grass all day on my blanket. Now Bradley and Ludo are playing frisbee. Well, Ludo's playing Bradley. Oh, do you have a frisbee? I'm not grabbing him.
You know he's in trouble.
I'm finding myself very tired in the second trimester. Like I just like physically and like I could go to sleep. But then I try to take naps. Oh my gosh. I try to take naps and I can't sleep. So it's whatever. But yeah, those are my dill seedlings that haven't sprouted, so it's a mess out here right now. But like I said, we ordered a patio, a really cute like patio set that it's not gonna be here till like March 5th, I think it said. Yeah, it seemed like a while, but time is going fast. And then, I don't know if I showed you, but Bradley got his smoker. He's been talking about this our whole married lives.
I did it!
And
now I don't know what to do with it.
yeah, so there's that. We're smoking some meat soon. Living the life. I don't know what else we're gonna do tonight. Probably take a bath. I'm craving some mozzarella sticks, so I might send Bradley out to pick some up for me. And, oh, I want to play Mario Party. Kick your ass in Mario Party. And we put the Switch upstairs in the bedroom with the big TV in the bedroom. Playing Mario Party in the bed is life-changing. But yeah, that's our update. Hope you guys are having a good Tuesday, even though you'll see this at a later time. But I hope whatever day you're having, I hope it's good. Hey guys, in a very exciting turn of events, we're going to downtown Disney. Basically, last night I saw a TikTok of this really cute new collection called Kingdom of Cute or something. With
What's your problem?
He knows we're leaving. But you're going to Miss Titi's house. You're gonna have so much fun.
Do you want to eat something before we leave? What's your problem? Come here.
Some artist has some new collection called Kingdom of Cute. It's not online. It's only at the Wonder Art Shop, whatever that shop is called. I woke up feeling great. I'm still feeling great. I was worried after I ate I would start to feel gross. I don't. So we're going. We're heading off. We're dropping off Ludo at my brother's and we're just gonna go to downtown Disney. I'm nervous to be so far from home and to obviously be out in a pandemic, but we're gonna be safe, do our best, try to have fun, and mostly try to get this Alice in Wonderland planter. But we'll take you along.
Okay, we're at, I almost said Panera. What is this place called?
La Brea.
La Brea for lunch, and I got a soup bowl and a grilled cheese and fruit. What'd you get?
Turkey bacon panini.
What'd you get? Let's see in there.
Turkey club.
Pasta salad. It does look good.
It's very good.
Here we
I
go.
was editing this vlog and I realized I never showed you guys what we got from the Kingdom of Cute collection and why we rushed to Downtown Disney. Number one was this. You guys know I love Alice in Wonderland and this was just so cute. I was really hoping to be able to pry the fake plants out and put real plants or air plants in them, but I don't know if that's gonna happen because that like fake soil is just like rock hard in there. But you know, I'll break my no fake plants rule for these because they're literally so cute. Look at that, it just is the cutest. And then I couldn't stop there, I had to get the Dumbo one too because it's just so cute. I love the pink with the green on both of these. This one might be easier to pry this fake one out and put an air plant on top, we will see. But I just love those. I don't know where I'm gonna put them yet. And then I love this cake stand just for the stripes on it, the teal, orange, and pink. But then it also has all the Kingdom of Cute stuff on it and I love it because it has Mr. Toad and Figment and the White Rabbit. And Scuttle is super cute. I'll just give you a little tour. Donald, Dole Whip, Tower Terror, Epcot, Pirates, the Cutie Orange, a Tigger Tail, I didn't even notice that. Balloons, the castle. It's just super cute. So I love that just for the cake stand itself. So yeah, that's what we picked up from the Kingdom of Cute collection. And now I'm gonna end this vlog here. Anything you wanna say?
Oh, no.